how to do a financial health check for your retirement investment fund. Tell me if what you are really struggling with is this: how to preserve the capital of your retirement fund from being depleted or suffering any capital loss, while also maximizing the passive income or growth from your retirement investment portfolio. For me to actually answer you, I need to know these two things. Number one is, what is really your current strategy? Like, how are you currently managing the investment portfolio for retirement, and what is your thought process of managing that retirement portfolio in different economic cycle? Like when the market crashes, when to take profit, what happens, or what you're going to do if the interest rate change, and or when the macroeconomic outlook changes. And the second thing is the detailed information about your investment portfolio for retirement. Now, I can only answer you accurately if you show me what is really inside in that investment portfolio for retirement, down to the level of each and every stocks that you hold, what are the asset class, or what are the composition of funds that you have. Because end of the day, if you focus too much of preserving your retirement fund principle, inflation may eat away at your retirement fund. Am I right? On the other hand, if you try to maximize your returns too much, you risk losing money from your retirement fund, which the kind of losses that you cannot recover from. Ideally, you might want some validation or second opinion from professional, from advisor, to give you a second opinion and to learn like how people in a similar situation like you are managing their retirement funds. So you can use that as a reference. Doesn't matter whether you have 1 million retirement fund or 10 million of retirement fund. Now, if you are exploring this topic, then I really want to invite you to try out this AI retirement calculator or advisor tool that I have, so that you can have preliminary understanding of whether your retirement fund is sufficient to sustain you throughout your retirement years, considering things like inflation, retirement spending, and your indicative yearly returns from your total retirement fund. After you get this done, perhaps the next step is to relook deeper into optimizing or balancing your retirement investment return and passive income to make sure it's achieve capital preservation and at the same time outpace inflation.